Okay, well, everybody, I received this Aviola 502 um, from a guy in California. I had offered him $5 for it. He took it. The cabinet is pretty much non-existent. However, since I saw that it was an Aviola, which there's not that many of them around, I jumped on this. Um, Cabinet is, like I say, is pretty much non-existent. The Aviola was made by the same founder as Detrola, Jack Ross or John Ross. He sold Detrola back in around World War II, and then he moved to California to form a company. Now he liked aviation and radio, so he formed the Aviola company. Now this is a 502, and so I've been trying to find some research on it, and it's can't find a schematic for it. I found a 502A on the antique radio forums and a 503, and physically they are not the same. Now the 503 layout is fairly simple. They're very similar anyway. What I've found in these, and I've already unboxed this and done a few things. This has got inductor tuning. Instead of a tuning capacitor, it's got inductors, which is, my understanding, is two ferrite rods that slide up and down in some coils. This is a 5-tube layout. It's 5-inch speaker. This is the 35Z5 rectifier. This is the 50L6 audio tube. Here's the 12SQ7 and the 12SK7, and this one is the 12SA7. Now, looking on Nostalgia Air, the schematics, I found the only schematics I could find is the models 501, 512, 509, and 518. The 509 and 518 have a phono adapter to it, so, and it's a 50-watt deal. Now on the tag that came off, this shows an Aviola Radio Corporation 502 serial number 3421 30 watts. So it fits more along the lines of the 501, 512. 501 was a plastic case, 512 was a wooden case. Now, physically looking at those, they are totally different. The tube layout, looking at the schematic, this tube was located in this area here by the first IF. The 503 has a bracket that comes across here that the tuning dial light goes on. So that's different layout. So I'm going to go through the schematic and see if I can find out if these schematics, this 501, 512 schematic will work or close. And if not, I'll change it as I find it and have a working copy. Anyway, the inductor itself, tuning inductor, was seized up, so I was very gentle with it. Did a little WD-40-ish on it. Try to get a little more light in here. I've commandeered the dining room table. My wife is not too happy, but that's okay. But it's just temporary. The workbench has got the Howard 400X on it, and I'm in the process of putting back in the cabinet. So this will be taking center stage. It's got the built-in antenna also, which looks halfway decent. The tubes, I've already pulled those out. The knobs came off fairly easy. I believe those are original knobs. And the tubes, let's see, I checked them. The 35Z5 was good, the 50L6 was good, the 12SA7 was good, the 12SQ7, the triode section of it was bad, but the dual diode was good, so that's going to be replaced. And the 12SK7, it was weak, it was reading 250 out of the 300, so that'll also probably be replaced. I've already been looking at the underside of it, and let me pause this and get it out. It's fairly clean, and I'm beginning to think that it has been virtually untouched. I'll give you a little story about the tubes when I come back.